To connect Bluetooth headphones to the Google Pixel 9, start by opening Settings, then select Connected Devices, then select Pair New Device. Now, regardless of your Bluetooth headphones, you need to open up the case of the headphones. Make sure both buds are inside of the case. Then you're going to find the button on the back of your headphones and then long press these ones to enter pairing mode. The button may be in a different location, so just Google how to enter your bud's name into pairing mode. Release once the pairing mode is entered. With the Bluetooth, buds, it's just this blinking white. Now, if it's a Android, Bluetooth headphones, you'll see a connect button. If it's not, check the pair new device area and you should see your Bluetooth headphones. So tap on these ones to start the pairing and then tap on pair one more time. And then the Bluetooth headphones have been paired to your Google Pixel 9.